Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font in Google Sheets. We'll cover 3 straightforward methods to help you personalize your spreadsheets. First, you'll learn how to set a new default font that applies to all future sheets you create. Next, we'll show you how to easily update the font in any existing spreadsheet. Finally, we'll explore creating a custom template, ensuring your preferred font is always ready for new projects. Let's make your sheets look exactly how you want them. To set a default font for all new Google Sheets, begin by navigating to the Format menu at the top. From there, select Theme to open the Theme sidebar. You'll then click on Customize to access the font options. Scroll down to find the Font section, where you can choose your preferred typeface from a wide selection. Once you've made your choice, click Done to save it. This change will now apply to all new spreadsheets you create, ensuring consistent branding. For existing spreadsheets, changing the font is also very simple. First, select all the cells in your sheet by clicking the small blank rectangle located at the top left corner, between the row numbers and column letters. Once everything is selected, head to the toolbar at the top. Locate the Font drop-down menu, which usually displays the current font name. Click on it and choose your desired font. The entire sheet will instantly update to your new selection, giving your data a fresh look. If you frequently use a specific font and formatting, creating a custom template can save you a lot of time. Start by opening a new Google Sheet and applying your desired font, size, and any other styles to the entire sheet. Once it looks perfect, go to the File menu, then select Make a Copy to save this formatted sheet. Give it a descriptive name like My Custom Font Template. Now, whenever you need a new sheet with your preferred font, simply open this template and make a copy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.